This is one I've done all on my own. I didn't have any help from anyone. It works. It is incomplete though. The battle section of this game does not work. Let's start. We just have to give ourselves a name. And then we get in here. So aspects of the city work. So you see down here, Lu Yan, he's a antagonist. He's always asking you for money, and if you don't give him money, he sends a fleet of ships to shoot you down. I'll say no because it doesn't work at the moment. And then elder brother Wu, he's a loan shark. We don't need to borrow any money from him. We have 400 cash. We have 5,000 debt. So basically we do have to pay off Mr. Wu. If we don't, after so many turns of floating around, he would kill you, or basically send a bunch of guys after you and beat you up, something like that. This was also modeled after a game that I played on the Palm Pilot. I had a lot of fun. But I mean, this is one, you can find it on the App Store for Android. I didn't make it, somebody else did. I'm just following their exact setup. I wanted to add in a few more options they didn't have. For one, if we go into to buy stuff, when we select one, in the game that's on Android, it has a box here that says how many you can afford. But when you picked all, it would just buy all of them. But if your hold up here didn't have enough room, and then you like select enter, here you see it goes into, let's say I picked like 700 or something. It'd put 700 in here, and then your ship would be overfilled. I don't know. It's just nitpicking of. But anyway, so that is working. Cash is working. Bank works. Actually, let's just visit the bank. Put the rest of our money in the bank for right now. And then we don't need to take any out. Then we go quit trading, and we can travel between cities, or cities. And hopefully sell our stuff for better than we bought it for. 22 is good, so now we'll sell it. House generals, all. Enter. And so we made more money back. In fact, we've got more because we put some in the bank. Now the idea with the bank was you're supposed to gain interest as you float, as you travel from city to city, but it's not going up. So that part's not done. And then, like I said, the battle isn't done because as you travel between city to city, there's always this random chance you'll run into pirates and then have to fight. But I haven't got to that part yet. And then obviously I've done all the logic myself because I'm just modeling this after the game I've seen, which is also why the battle isn't done. I have to figure out my own way of doing it, make it look like what they've got. So